Good evening. This video is going to be on the distributive property and equations. So we're going to go ahead and get started. First thing we're going to do is we're going to do a quick review of combining like terms. Remember, when we combine like terms, we put everything that is alike together. So the first thing I would do is I would identify my like terms. I have 7k and positive 8k. And I also have 3f and positive 15f. So all I'm going to do is combine these two together. So 7k plus 8k gives me 15k, and 3f plus 15f gives me a positive 18f. Okay? Same thing on this side. We're going to identify our like terms. We have a constant of 24 and a constant of positive 7. We have a constant of positive, or our first variable is m, so we'll use plus 16m minus 5m, and then our last one we have 3b, which is by itself. So again, we'll combine like terms, okay? So we'll start with our variables. 16m minus 5m gives me 11m. There is nothing here for this 3b, so we're going to bring it down. And then 24 plus 7 is 31. And that is a quick review of combining like terms. Next, we're going to discuss distribution. And to distribute simply means to multiply, okay? And we're going to multiply it by each term inside the parentheses, okay? That's very important. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this 3 and I'm going to multiply it by 7x and by positive 9. Okay? So what would I be left with? Well, 3 times 7 is 21. Bring the x with it. And 3 times 9 is 27, and it's positive. Okay? Another way you could look at this in combining like terms, and I'm going to rewrite it here, would be 7x plus 9 3 times. 7x plus 9 plus 7x plus 9, because we know that multiplication is repeated addition, 7x plus 9. Well, now we just have to combine like terms, right? 7x plus 7x plus 7x gives me 21x. And then I have 9 plus 9 plus 9 gives me 27. So that's how we know that the distribution works. Okay? So let's look at our second example. 7. Now I'm going to multiply that by 6m, by positive 2g, and by 9. Okay? Well, what do we get? 7 times 6 is 42. The m comes with it. 7 times positive 2 is 14. Put a 1 there. The g goes with it. And 7 times 9 is, positive 9, I'm sorry, is 63. And we're finished. Okay? So that is simple distribution. So we're going to take this now a step further and get into distributing and combining. Okay? So nothing changes. I'm still going to distribute this 6. I'm going to distribute to that 4, to this positive 4x, to this 9, and to this negative 3. Okay, so what do I get? 6 times 4x is 24x. 6 times 4x again is 24x. 6 times 9 is 54. And 6 times negative 3 is negative 18, positive times a negative. So what do I have to do now? I have to identify my like terms. Well, there's 2 of them. And here's 2 more. So I simply combine my like terms. 24x plus 24x gives me 48x's. 54 minus 18 gives me 36, positive, because 54 is larger. And now I'm done. Okay? Same thing, I'll go ahead and do this one here on the bottom, this one that looks very scary, but is not very scary. Okay, same thing here. I'm going to distribute this 4, and it's going to go to each piece of this parentheses. Okay, so this might get a little fuzzy here. So I have 4 times 5g, that's 20g. 4 times positive 6 is 24m. 4 times positive 3 is 12v. 4 times 4m is 16m. And let me try and write this a little bit smaller so everybody can see this again. Sorry. So I have 20g plus 24m plus 12v plus 16m plus 12g plus 4g. Now you say, how is that 4g? Well, remember, what number is right here? Then I'm simply going to combine all my g's. 12 and 4 is 16, that's 36g, and my 20. My m's 24 and 16 plus 40m plus 12v. And you're done. Please review the video.